And we've got some breaking news coming in on the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. Kangana Ranaut's first reaction on the Narcotics Bureau probe into the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. Remember, yesterday it had been reported that a drug link had emerged via the Enforcement Directorate's information that had been leaked to journalists. Now, Kangana Ranaut has tweeted, if the Narcotics Control Bureau enters Bollywood, many A-listers will be behind bars. If blood tests are conducted, many shocking revelations will happen. Hope Prime Minister under Swachh Bharat mission cleanses the gutter called Bollywood. So angry Kangana's latest attack on the old guard or the insiders of Bollywood. The latest in a string of lash-outs by Kangana Ranaut, who's fashioned herself as an outsider, now says that if the Narcotics Bureau enters Bollywood, every A-lister of Bollywood will be behind bars. Basically, Kangana saying that every Bollywood actor is basically a druggie, a junkie, a drug addict, whatever you call it. She says that the Prime Minister should be taking cognizance of this under the Swachh Bharat mission to cleanse the gutter of Bollywood. Pia Hingorani with us. Pia, Kangana Ranaut latching on to the whole narcotics angle in Bollywood. Not the first time we're hearing about it, but she's latched on to this new angle that's emerged in the Sushant death case.
Absolutely, Shiv. And of course, it's no secret that, these things are very rampant in Bollywood. But the fact that an A-lister like Kangana Ranaut is actually going all out and attacking Bollywood is a very big thing. Also, Shiv, let me also tell you that Kangana Ranaut herself has admitted to having battled, drug addiction. In fact, earlier in the past, she said that she went through this entire addiction for a really long time, and it took her a couple of years to actually come out of it. So it has been a very tough journey even for her. So, for her to actually come out and speak about this out in the open and attack the entire film fraternity, a part of the family that she's a part of, is a really, really big step for her. And of course, she's actually urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to actually start his Swachh Bharat Abhiyan via the narcotics across Bollywood. And she said a lot of people will be exposed.
And the interesting thing is, Kangana Ranaut has actually spoken about, stuff like this or bordering on this in the past as well. So it was perhaps only a matter of time before she used this to attack the so-called A-listers of Bollywood, Pia.
Absolutely. And not only, when it comes to drug addiction, she has been, lashing out at the A-listers when it comes to nepotism, when it comes to Bollywood mafia, when it comes to a lot of other things over the past 2 months. We've seen her, as a poster, as a poster girl for the entire justice for Sushant. So we're not surprised that, she actually has, slammed the entire Bollywood and lashed out at them and said that, if there was a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by, PM Narendra Modi via the narcotics department, the entire film fraternity would perhaps be, out in the open. But again, Shiv, it's interesting that she's actually saying this because she herself is a person who has battled drug addiction and very serious drug addiction right from, her teenage years, and she's in fact confessed it. So it's interesting to see now what, the step that she takes forward and how, she reacts further to all these allegations and statements.
Okay, thanks very much, Pia. We've got more breaking news coming in on the Narcotics Bureau angle.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.